Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am in Gutters, St. Elizabeth. So take a view of in the Gutters area, right at the Texaco gas station. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. And also in Gutters you have a Knoxford Express bus service. Yeah man, so the Knoxford Express is a bus service in Jamaica where you can use and go on a different location. So a lot of persons come to the airport and stuff and don't have a drive, but you all can use the Knoxford Express courier service. Also send package to Montego Bay, Ochi, Falmouth, Port Antonio, New Kingston, Gutters, Luana, Negril, Savlamar, and also to Mandeville. So always remember to like, share and subscribe. So we are going to head to Santa Cruz town in St. Elizabeth. So keep on watching guys. True Jamaican Vibes. So yes, with people, so to enjoy the ride here, man, I take on the road and out to Santa Cruz. Yeah man, Santa Cruz from Gutters in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, I'm going to the town where them call him Santa Cruz, or the hottest town in the Jamaica side. Yeah man, the Santa Cruz area. So in the streets of Jamaica, you don't know say I will stop on the street side. Yeah man, and the vendor them and will have either coconut water, any juice you prefer. You can even drink on the roadside, yeah man. So you know say in Jamaica you know say a lot of hustling take place. So yeah man, so stop and get one juice. Yeah man, if you don't know, St. Elizabeth is a very hot parish. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid. Take you any place where you want to go in Jamaica. Safe and sound. Just enjoy the ride and the vibes also. Yeah man. Yes my people. One love and one heart. So you don't know. You're gonna hit the road again. Just keep on watching. So yes my people, so this is how Jamaica go. If you feel thirsty, you can stop and get a juice right on the roadside, you know. Just the Jamaican vibes. So we're heading towards Pepper. And Pepper, then you have Goshen. Yeah, my people, I see a big unit that come down the hill, so I give him some way, so I pull off of the road. Yeah man, so I must looking at the mirror and not drive. Yeah man, see a big unit that fly and come here, so I have to come off of the road and give them way some of my time, you know. Yeah man, so I pull off of the road, always check on the mirror and not drive, man. Yeah. Take on the time and go through True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So they know say on normal speed. So them truck there come down from Spurtree Hill. Full speed, so now have to be careful of them unit there, you know. So drive with the cape on the road. So we are driving on A2. We are driving in the direction on the west direction, and my GPS say on a major highway. Yeah, you know, saying Jamaica, 2-lane road, them call the highway same way. Not like some other countries, they have a lot of roads, so it's just Jamaica. Just so Jamaica stay 2-lane, and we call it highway same way. So yes, some people want to come to St. Elizabeth always try to visit Jamaica Zoo. Also go on the south side at the Jack Sprat's, Lashings, 77 West. Yeah man, and also the Black River Safari and the Pelican Bar in the sea in Parati, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, you can know a lot of things, you know, because the country curfew gone back up to 11 p.m. now in Jamaica, so you have a lot of hustlers coming back on the street, jerk them chicken. Yeah man, I'm a jerk them chicken and run them business, and now up in them small business on the street side. Yeah, because you know you have to make something go on for yourself, because you have kids to go back to school. So we're in the Pepper area in St. Elizabeth. And you know, in Pepper you have a dairy farm. So when you're driving in Pepper, you're gonna look out for cows on the road. It's a very dangerous road when you come out tonight. A lot of stray animals on the road, cows, you know. You have to look out on the highway paper. So we're heading towards Goshen. Yeah man, so when you come at them area in Goshen, you have to look out for the police them, so you have to always drive your speed limit because you're gonna get a ticket right in this area. It's a police zone. So always dip on the right, P and Q. Yeah man, so Fire Reid for the Jamaica road trip, summer trip, you know. So we're heading towards Braze River turnoff. So you can use that road, Braze River, go back to Balaclava, go back to Mile Gully. You can also use it, go to Elam and also to Appleton Estates, Newton and them place there. So on your right, you have the Braze River turnoff. Take you back to Braze River and also to Balaclava. many more places we can go. couple seconds.
Turn right onto Institution Drive.
So we're a couple seconds away from Santa Cruz town.
Take the next right onto Institution Drive.
Make the right turn will take you on to Institution Drive. That's where you can find the
Institution Drive for 1.5 kilometers.
the Jamaica Fire Brigade. So we're now in Santa Cruz town. So thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.